So, Bob, I thought I would ask you some questions that some patrons have for you and me.
Yeah.
And some people actually ask questions on Facebook, specifically to you.
Is that significant, Facebook, as a medium?
It is, for us anyway.
Okay.
That's the main way we communicate.
Oh, really?
Just the other day, I put up this question on Facebook. I said, okay, listeners, who has questions for Bob? A bunch of people responded.
Wow.
Yeah. So I want to get into that, but this is only going to be for patrons of the podcast.
Ooh.
So if you're not a patron of the podcast, you want to hear the rest of this episode, you have to become a patron by going to patreon.com. That's patreon.com. Become a patron of our podcast to get access to this episode and like 300 other episodes that are just for patrons, and arguably they're our best episodes, many of which are with Bob. So do that now. Become a patron. Do it.